Hi children, this is the third part of equal triangles. Question 4. Are the angles of triangle ABC and triangle ABD equal in the figure? Why? Look at the figure. There are two triangles. We can see triangle ABC and triangle ABD. Isn't it? Now, look at the sides. AC and AD, they are equal, 8 centimeter given. Next, here BC is equal to 6 centimeter and BD is equal to 6 centimeter. Okay, so in these two triangles, we got two pairs of equal sides. AC is equal to AD and BC is equal to BD. To prove the triangles are equal triangles, we need one more pair of equal sides. Can you say which are the equal sides? Look at AB and again AB. That means AB is common to both the triangles. AB is a side of triangle ABC and AB itself a side of triangle ABD. That means these two sides coincide. We can see only one side, isn't it? So we can write AB is equal to AB. Now we got one more pair of equal sides. That means the three sides of triangle ABC are equal to the three sides of triangle ABD. So the triangles are equal triangles. So the angles of triangle ABC and the angles of triangle ABD are equal. Okay. Now the next question. In the quadrilateral ABCD shown below, AB is equal to AD, BC is equal to CD. Compute all the angles of the quadrilateral. Look at the figure. ABCD is a quadrilateral that is given. Okay, but when we look at, we can see two triangles here. Triangle ACD and triangle ACB. From the above question, we understand that AC is a common side of triangle ACD and triangle ACB. Now, what are given? AB is equal to AD and BC is equal to CD. These two equal sides are given here. Look at that in the figure AB and AD. These two pairs are equal sides. See, AD and AB are equal. And next one, BC and CD are equal. BC of triangle ABC and CD of triangle ACD. These two are equal. That means two pairs of equal sides are given in the figure. And one more, see, angle 30 degree is marked here at vertex A, this small angle. And here below, a 50 degree angle is also marked at C. Okay. Now, let us go through the answer. See, given AB is equal to AD and BC is equal to CD, the given equal pairs of sides. And we need one more pair of equal sides. And it is AC equal to AC, common side of both the triangles. Now we can say that the triangles are equal. So we need three pairs of equal sides. Then only we can say the triangles are equal triangles. Now, here written the pairs of equal sides and the corresponding equal angles. The question is to compute all angles of the quadrilateral. First we can find out the angles of the triangle. Then we can find out the angles of quadrilateral. Okay, look at here written equal sides. AB equal to AD given. BC equal to CD also given. And AC is equal to AC is common side. Now we are taking the opposite angle of these equal sides. Opposite of AB. AB. This is AB. Opposite of side AB is this angle, 50 degree angle. The name of the angle is angle ACB. And side AD. Now look at side AD. opposite of side AD is this angle, the above angle of this 50 degree, and the name is ACD. So we can write it, angle ACB is equal to angle ACD, and it is equal to 50 degree marked here. Look at, from this we got this angle and the above angle. These two are equal. That means the two angles at this vertex C are equal. Now the second one, BC and CD are the equal side. So opposite of BC and CD are, look at, angle BAC. Angle BAC, this angle. This angle is opposite of BC. And opposite of CD is this 30 degree angle. They are equal. That means this angle and below this angle. These two are equal. 30, 30. Okay. It is written here. Angle BAC is equal to angle DAC, and it is 30 degree. Now look at, we got these two angles 30, 30, and here 50 and 50. Now one more pair of angles is the angle D and angle B. These two angles are opposite of the common side AC. Look at, AC equals AC. So angle B equals angle D. Now we have to find out the measure of angle B and D. Okay, for that we got, see, in triangle ACD, this is 30 degree and this is 50 degree. So the remaining D will be 180 minus of 30 plus 50. We get 180 minus 80. That is equal to 100. Look at, 180 minus of 50 plus 30 equal to 180 minus 80 equal to 100 degree. Which are the angles? Angle B is equal to 100 degree and angle D is also equal to 100. So the angles of quadrilateral ABCD are, angle A is equal to 30 plus 30, 60 degree. Angle B and angle D are equal. So angle B is equal to angle D is equal to 100 degree, and angle C is equal to 50 plus 50 is equal to 100 degree. If the angles of a triangle are equal to the angles of another triangle, would their sides also be equal? What is the question? Triangles with the same angles are given, then what about the length of its sides? Are they equal? Look at these triangles given. Triangle ABC is drawn with angles 40, 90 and 50 degree. And triangle PQR is also drawn with the same angles 40, 90 and 50. And third triangle XYZ is drawn with angles 40, 90 and 50 degree. That means these three triangles are drawn with the same angles 40, 90 and 50 degree. Now look at the length of its sides. Example, take side AB. AB is opposite of 50, and in triangle PQR and XYZ, PQ and XY are opposite of 50 degree. Are they equal in length? These three sides? They are not equal. They are different in length. That means the three angles of a triangle are equal to the three angles of another triangle, then their sides may not be equal. You have studied three sides of a triangle are equal to three sides of another triangle, then their angles are also equal. But in this case, three angles are equal to three angles of another triangle. And what about the sides? In here, in this figure, the three sides are not equal. We know very well that triangles are different in size. That means its sides are different. Okay. So we can say, if the angles of a triangle are equal to the angles of another triangle, then their sides may not be equal. Okay, thank you.